Hey, this is Tyron with We Auto Detailing back with another video. And today we're going to talk about how to start and how to build a mobile detailing business from home. So let's go ahead and get it. So for me, currently operating my business from home. I don't really go too much in the field unless I have to. And so how do we operate? First thing we do is we have our website, we have our marketing, we have our scheduling system, we have our contractors, we have everything coincide, integrated, and set together as a system. With that system, we're able to send out our people, manage the bookings from home through our phone system, and we send them out and take our payments, and we send our payments out to our contractors. So that's how we operate our business from home. It's a pretty simple process once you learn it. The biggest problem or the biggest conflict is you have to learn it. So you can't really start and go into the business tomorrow and say, hey, I have a business from home. It took time for me to build a system. You can probably buy the system from someone and they can set it all up for you, and you can just come in and operate that system as well, but it has to be tested and it has to work. So for me personally, I had to go the hard way, which is going through every step to every year, learning to get better at my system. So now the system is working pretty good. I just have to manage my marketing and my funds, and the business should be able to thrive, and hopefully we can start seeing some better returns on our investments when it comes to the marketing and the call service and stuff like that. So it's fully automated in the business sense. The only thing that I'm working on is I'm still communicating with my contractors, which I can do still right now because I enjoy having the communications with the people in the field, and it's good managing those. It's good managing those relationships because they are out there doing the work, and they want to know that they're dealing with somebody that been there, that done it, that's in the field, that been in there, and having those connections or relationships set my business apart from any other business that's out there operating in the capacity that I am working in. So constantly managing relationships with my team, but other than that, it's all automated, and that's how I have it right now. What are my thoughts on that? So operating this car detailing business from home, you have to be on it as any business owner, meaning that you have to be self-motivated on the task that needs to be done. So me personally, every day my routine is I go to the gym. After the gym, I come home and I work about an hour or two. After that, I go out and I shoot the basketball. After that, I shoot the basketball for about an hour, if that. Then I come back home. I have lunch or / breakfast, depending on if I ate breakfast or not. Go back home, and I would probably be multitasking between watching something online or researching something or doing work. It depends on how I'm feeling at that point because half of my day is going at that point. So I try to put in like 2 hours or so a day, sometimes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, depending on what I got done. So if I got some tasks I'm locking in on, then I can really put in some hours for that. But a lot of this work is doing the work on the front end or the back end, and then you wait and see a result. So like I'm doing a lot of SEO marketing. So I'm on my website quite a bit, creating blog articles, adding pictures, what else? Creating pages. In addition to that, I'm also looking at my Google My Business profile, uploading pictures, uploading videos on YouTube. In addition to that, I'm adding questions and stuff to my profile as well. I can be doing anything. I can be on the phone with contractors back and forth all day. We have 5 or 6 details in a day. It's a lot of communication going on. So it may be days where I'm not in the office, but I'm doing a lot of calls back and forth. And when I'm not on the phone call, I'm like, doing some small stuff in between, like uploading pictures and stuff to my social medias and stuff. So I would say that this is the life of my job as a remote working from home detailer. I mean, it's not always working from home. Like last week, I did 3 or 4 cars that week, out of 20 maybe. So it's still working, it's still grinding. You got to get out there. I actually enjoy when I can get out there now, since I'm not out there as often. So it's been a process. I'm building, I'm learning it, trying to get better every single day at the online stuff, and building, finding more customers. I just ordered some new cars with a new branding logo and stuff on there. So I'm gonna start marketing my business as I go out more. So when I'm meeting people, just throwing them a car here and there, telling them to book with us and stuff like that. That's something that I just been telling people what I do, but I haven't really gave them the nudge to like book with us and stuff. So I'm gonna start pushing and nudging more of my network or people that I'm dealing with when I do things, and do things when it comes to networking. So that's most of it. Just marketing, networking. That's the main job as the owner. Once you get in certain positions, is marketing and bringing in the most business. So how do you get your customers? How do you keep your customers? How do you upsell your customers and things like that? So that's what I've been working on. That's what it pertains and what's necessary to operate the business from home. So let me ask you all a question. What are some tasks or skills that you think that you need to bring this into fruition for your business? No matter what art industry you're in, let me know in the comment section. And lastly, make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know exactly, if y'all like this content or not. So once y'all hit the like and subscribe button, we can definitely connect. And we drop videos like this every single day. So if you have any questions, concerns, or if you want to stay tapped in, man, just keep watching our videos. We got titles, and you can just check and see if I'm going to talk about any of the topics that you all are interested in, man. So thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. This is We Auto Detailing, service in Atlanta and Metro Atlanta area. And so this is my setup, man. So y'all take care. Y'all have a good one.